All right, KTAuthentics Sports Marketing Cards. Ninjazo. Gonna try box 3. Contenders. What's up, Joe? Alright, guys. NT's in the store. Nick Shimanek. Nick Shimanek. Base. Auto. Brad charges for that service now, Knicks. From SMU, Trey Quinn. Someone gave him a Sharpie, unfortunately. Who's that? Tracy Fungali from Wisconsin. Come on, big hit. This case needs to get better. Clay Helton. Wow. Clay Helton coach. Coach Mojo to 49. Wow. And Marcus Davenport. Yeah. Fast break is a seal case, Knicks. Right team, wrong player. Rasham Green. What's up with all these linebacker autos? Defensive ends. Rasheem Green. Printing plate. Look at the old ball coach. Look at the old ball coach. Cyan. Ooh, that's nice. Mason Rudolph, 1/1. Cyan plate B. 1/1 printing plate autograph. It'll be interesting to see if he's a system quarterback or if he's got a big arm. Let's just keep doing the personals that everyone's buying. Mason Rudolph. Nice hit, Ninjazo. Daniel, you want to do any more? See, I don't know if he's a system quarterback, but he put up numbers. That's the thing. So I think he's going to be good.